Olha a explosão, quando ela bate com a bunda no chão, quando ela mexe com a bunda no chão, quando ela joga com a bunda no chão, quando ela sarra e o bumbum no chão.
At first glance, he is just a regular man, but that's only at first glance. In reality, he has super abilities, because he has Volterman. At first glance, Volterman is just a regular wallet, but that's only at first glance. In reality, it has a stunning design, and it's packed with super abilities. The smart wallet helps Rob in a variety of situations. Once, when he was out with his girlfriend, Rob left his wallet in the cab. But Volterman notifies when it's been left behind and is being tracked easily by its owner. Volterman is the only wallet with worldwide traceability.
Excuse me? I think you have my wallet. I've been tracking you, and I've got your photos opening it right here.
You are my Superman.
Babe, I'm not Superman. I've got Volterman.
Rob's lifestyle is very active, and occasionally he forgets his phone in crowded places. But Volterman notifies you when you've left your phone behind.
Excuse me? That's my phone. When you're filming your kid's performance and right in the middle of it, your phone shuts down. Or imagine you have to tell your date you're running late. Picture that disaster. Or your battery dies in the middle of an important business call. Your online poker tournament is interrupted. You're lost and you can't look up online maps. Not only is Volterman super slim and ultra lightweight, but it's also got a built-in power bank, so you can charge any phone up to 100%.
Okay, what about my phone?
And you can charge your phone wirelessly.
You're my Superman.
I'm not Superman. I've got Volterman.
The idea of Volterman started 2 years ago, and our team of engineers and designers have been working tirelessly on creating a perfect mix of design and technology. And here it is in its final shape, packed with super abilities.
有个简单的问题，什么是爱情？它是否是一种味道，还是引力？
从我初恋那天起，先是甜蜜，然后紧接就会有风雨。爱就像蓝天白云，晴空万里，突然暴风雨，无处躲避，总是让人始料不及。人就像患重感冒。
Connected.
The iPin Spatial Ruler is the communication tool enhancing people's spatial recognition. Plugged into the earphone jack, it still works to pick up calls when you are not using it to measure. Turn your iPhone sideways and see how the laser lens of the ruler is parallel to the back side of the phone-powered iPin Spatial Ruler that enables users to take measurements. First, run the iPin Spatial Ruler app. Aim the laser dot at the wall you want to measure. Press the distance option in the upper left corner, aiming at the laser dot with the red frame. Get the distance when you press Measure. Press File to save the result. Press OK to save, and the measurement is completed. Aim the laser dot at the object you want to measure. Aim at the laser dot with the red frame. Press Measure to get the size after a snapshot. Use the Zoom tool to slightly adjust the points on the object. The distances between each point are shown. Press File to save the result. After saving, you could also share or fix them in the option file. You can share them to other smartphones with a different OS, or press Editable in Share. Make them co-editable within the iPin Spatial Ruler app on other iPhones. After determining the way to share, you complete the measurement. Press Cali, Standard, and choose A4. Lay a piece of A4 paper on the desk. Place the iPhone on the paper with the screen side up. Press Measure. Lift the iPhone to a different height. Aim at the laser dot with the red frame. Press Measure. Center the bubble in the green circle. Using the Zoom tool to slightly adjust the points on the object. Press Measure to finish. Lift the iPhone to different heights. Aim at the laser dot with the red frame. Press Measure. Center the bubble in the green circle. Using the Zoom tool to slightly adjust the points on the object. Press Measure. Press OK to save. Plug the iPin Spatial Ruler in. Press Cali, Freehand. Lift the iPhone up and down and aim the laser dot at the line. Adjust the angle of the iPin Spatial Ruler in the phone jack. Center the laser dot in the red circle. Press Measure. Press OK to save. It is a pioneering product which integrates portability, energy savings, and accuracy into one smart tool that enhances communication about visualizing dimensions in space between people for everyday use.